You can move, rotate, and mirror stitches in cross stitch. You can also erase stitches and change the colors and the stitch type. Before you edit stitches, just like in embroidery canvas, you must first select them. You have several options for selecting in cross stitch. In this video, we will look at the different ways to select in cross stitch. Of course, you can select Control A. This will select everything on the design screen. First, zoom in on one of the flowers and select the Select Object tool. Draw a bounding box around the stitches that you wish to select. Notice the dashed lines around the selected stitches. I would now be able to edit these stitches in any way I want to edit. I can change the color, change the type of stitch, cut, copy, mirror the stitch. Press Escape to get rid of the tool. If you only want to select one stitch, then just draw a bounding box around the stitch that you want to select. Again, press Escape. Polygon Select is a good tool for selecting an irregular shaped area. Zoom in on the butterfly body. Select Polygon Select and click around the object. Press Enter to activate the selection. In embroidery canvas, Polygon Select will not select stitches of a partial object, even if they are enclosed in the selection. But in cross stitch, it will select any stitches within the area, so you have to be more careful about selecting in cross stitch. Make sure the reference marks are not covering too wide of an area. Press Escape. There's a better way to select all of one color, and that is Auto Select. Select Auto Select and click on the color you wish to select. Auto Select will select blocks of stitches that are the same color, but the stitches have to touch. This is an easy way to select by color in cross stitch. If I hold down the Control key, I can also select the other butterfly wing. Remember that the stitches have to touch, and that's why using Auto Select didn't select the second wing. Control key will select multiples. You can also lock stitches in cross stitch, and they can be the cross stitches or outlines, and this can be done so they're not moved accidentally. Go to the Edit menu and make sure that outlines and crosses are both checked. If they're checked, you'll still be able to select them, but you won't be able to move the stitches.